Hello,
Hello, how can I help you?
I have a headache.
I can help you.
Do you have pain medicine?
Yes, we do.
How much is it?
It is $10.
How many times should I take it?
Take it twice a day.
Should I take it after food?
Yes, after meals.
I have a sore throat.
This medicine can help.
Do you have cough syrup?
Yes, it is here.
Do you have vitamins?
Yes, we have many kinds.
Which one is good?
This one is very popular.
Can children take this?
Please use the children's medicine.
I need a bandage.
They are on this shelf.
I need a thermometer.
Here is a digital one.
Is this medicine safe?
Yes, follow the instructions.
I have a fever.
Please drink plenty of water.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you have hand sanitizer?
Yes, over there.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.